future, there will be huge social gap. There will be handful of trillionaires and billions of people who are getting universal basic income. And this will happen because of superintelligence. Most of AI researchers that I spoke to predict that 90% probability that superintelligence will happen in our lifetime. So let's accept that it will happen. If it's a doom scenario and superintelligence will kill us all, there's nothing we can do about it. We just have to accept existence as it is, as Buddhists say. But I would like to think through a scenario in which superintelligence happens, somehow we coexist, it keeps us around, but it automates 90% of work. So people, they lost all their jobs, they're getting UBI, and they basically do nothing. And they're like those handful of trillionaires, probably it will be Sam Altman, Elon Musk, and people like that, because they own AI. If it's a centralized AI technology, they're owners of those companies and that technology, so they're trillionaires. But what if you want to go beyond universal basic income? What if you want to make more money and get at least some edge in life? I can think of 3 types of activities that humans can do in superintelligence era. First is to create high-end art, like paintings, be, high-performant dancer, artist, high-performant athletes. Basically, art and sports probably will be in demand and people can do like really good money. Another idea is that, let's say, even though superintelligence will be extremely powerful, there might be some technology, some integrations that are needed for superintelligence that it can't perform. And in this case, humans can make money by building those integrations. Third thing probably is that, let's say billions of people do not work, they get their, some money. So what they do, they entertain themselves, right? They watch movies, they play games, they consume social media. And basically, it's an attention economy on steroids. And if you're a social media influencer or build games or make movies, basically, if you work in entertainment and come up with like different like cool ways to entertain people, probably you also will be fine and can make like really good money out of it.